right, everyone, we have a filthy golf cart. But we're going to try out a product that was sent to us from Fantastic. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. They're detailing towels, so you don't get those water spots when you go to dry. But hey, first, let's get this baby cleaned up. Alright, this is the problem I always run into, and we used to detail vehicles, big trucks for companies, years and years and years ago. But the one thing you always struggled with is finding that right product that can get rid of the water spots and dry it easily. Because sometimes your towel's just a regular towel will scratch. So let's put this baby to the test. It's very absorbent. I like that. Because, I mean, this is good for your autos. Not just a golf cart, you know. Your automobiles. And of course, you know, yeah, your golf cart. I'll leave a link in the description on how you can get yours. Something else. See? It also makes a good washing rag. Dried this whole golf cart. I don't have those pesky water spots. Instead, I got a nice shine. So I do recommend these. They're the Fantastic, and I'm gonna tell you, I got another one out just to go over, double over. But this is the original. I cannot wring water out of it. It's so absorbent. And I used one of them to end up using one of them to wash with. Gosh, I love these things. Wish I found them a long time ago.